going to show you this new book that I've got. It's absolutely gorgeous. Stay with me and we'll flick through it and look at all the patterns and what's inside the book. Okay, so I've got a cute story. We were on camping and we walked into the nearest town and there was a yarn store, and my daughter saw this book. Now, she was either 7 or 8 at the time, and she absolutely pleaded with me, could she please buy this book? So I'm like, I'm not going to say no. I mean, look at it. It's not like she was wanting a Minecraft book or something like that. So yes, we bought the book. And then she's like wanting to learn how to knit whilst we're camping. So I gave her my spare needles and I'm teaching her how to knit, and she knit this tiny little wonky square. And then she goes, am I ready to knit this yet? I'm like, not quite, honey, keep on knitting. So I'll show you through this book. I'm going to I have absolute plans on making this one, but not yet. I've got to get all the yarn for it. So it's a beautiful, beautiful book. So it is called Magical Woodlands, and it's by Claire Garland. Now, she is known for her knitting patterns, and they're just absolutely stunning. And look at these images that are inside the book. And this is a gecko crochet pattern that my son designed, and I made him write it down. He's like, I think he was 11 when he designed this, but anyway, I just keep it in here to keep it safe. So see what's inside the book. I mean, even this cute little bunny here, look. Okay, so first off, look at this squirrel. I love the photography in this book. They're like that real animals. And a cute little mouse. So you've got your contents and your welcome. Look at this beautiful little scene here. This is why my daughter fell in love with this book. How to use the book, set with a little bird here. They list all the yarns that you need, everything that you need. So this is actually really handy, and some more beautiful images. All right, so let's go. Projects. First up is the wild rabbit. Okay, so the wild rabbit, isn't he cute? These cute little ears. And he sits upright. And it gives you all how to do it. And the one thing I like about this is that she actually shows you what it is that you're going to have when you finish your knitted piece, and then she's labelled them all, which is excellent, and great diagrams on how to sew it all up, which I think is fantastic. I mean, look at the details for that eye. So it's fantastic instructions here. This is absolutely, I love this. Okay, grey squirrel. I wish all books were written like this. Look at that tail on that squirrel. We don't get squirrels here in Tassie or in Australia. My kids haven't seen a squirrel in the wild yet. We get possums. And another diagram of what it looks like when you've knitted that main part. More instructions on how to put it all together. Like, this is so well put together, this book. Look at that tail. How cute is that? Look at a little acorn. All right, next one is a yellow-necked field mouse. Look at that. How cute that. They put it on a little blackberry bush. And then once again, a couple of pages of instructions, and then you got the starting to get the diagrams, how to assemble it. And look at this guy. How cute is that? All right, what's this next? A common pheasant. Isn't that cute? We don't get pheasants here either. Once again, more instructions. Oh, cute. Look at that, to that. Did a pretty good job, isn't it? All right, some more. As you can see, like, yarn choices are critical, and that she actually lists all the yarns that you needed. Now, this is the reason why this book was bought. Check out the roe deer fawn. How cute is that? I can imagine holding it in your hand. I think it would be absolutely adorable. Once again, we've got what everything is once you've knit it. And it gives you a good scale of what size it is as well. Putting it all together. No, oh, it's so cute. So this is obviously quite a detailed pattern. The little spots. And then we've got a red fox. A cute little guy. Reminds me of Basil Bush, actually. Alright, keep going and going. And then we've got, this is a cute one, the mallard duck. I like that one. He's a cute little guy. And once again, the photography skills. I mean, they just could have put it on a white background and plonked it down, but no, because they've actually gone and done the styled them all. My son loves this owl. it's so cute. And then we've got more pages of instructions. A robin redbreast. So you can start with small projects, and there you can do a hard project. A blue tit. My kids think that's funny. How cute. A wolf. Now, my son wants me to knit him a wolf, but I said, hey, you can knit this yourself. Let's look at all the instructions. I think that's the last project in here. I know we've got a badger as well. Never seen a badger in real life, so I don't know how real life to life these guys are. Only badger I've come across is in Wind in the Willows. There's a badger in there, isn't it? And then techniques, which is what you need to learn how to do these things. And some tips on how that. And then a couple of pages, and then we've got the back. So that's it. This is the book. I highly recommend it just for the fact that it's adorable, even if you're not going to knit anything from it. If you've got a knitting friend or a knitting relative, perfect gift for them. It's just because it is a stunning book. This book has been read so much in this house. Look at it. It's getting all dog-eared and everything. But I have 100% plans on making this for my daughter. I have actually finally managed to source the yarn. I'm here in Australia, so it took a little bit to get all the yarn that was listed. But yes, I'm 100% hopefully going to knit it by her birthday, which is in September. If I don't get it done, then, you know, there's it's always Christmas or a birthday next year. So yeah, this is my project for what I've got planned. And hopefully mine looks as nice and neat as that when I've done it. So you have to let me know, did you have a favourite animal in here? Now, the author has also got several other books, and I think she's put out another one since this one as well. I'm not 100% certain. But go check it out. I'll put a link below so you can go directly to the book. But yeah, I hope you have some fun knitting anything from this book as well.